If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get notified of new videos.
First, place some sodium hydroxide in a dish and heat it up. Next, add some zinc powder to the mixture. Then, stir it around. Now, it's time to add your pennies. Wait for about 3 minutes. While you're waiting, flip the pennies. Now it's time to remove the pennies and run them under cool water. Next, dry off the pennies. Make sure to get off all the sodium hydroxide. By this point, the pennies will have turned silver, like these. Now, light a Bunsen burner. Heat the penny over the flame, and then rinse it off in cold water. Your pennies will now look gold, like these. This experiment was similar to one that someone who was involved in alchemy during the scientific revolution would have done. Alchemy is just the process of turning inexpensive, cheap items into things that are metals that are much more valuable. In this case, we're turning copper from base into gold. During the scientific revolution, and even up to today, gold was and is a very valuable resource, and one that countries always are looking for and wish to extract. Many scientists around the scientific revolution believed that countries shouldn't only be searching for gold, though they should also be producing it themselves. They believed that with all of their advances and discoveries in chemistry, that it would be possible to convert ordinary, inexpensive metals into gold just by replacing or replicating, gold's particles and properties. They'd already discovered the properties of many metals, including gold, and had come up with various tests to determine the properties and makeup of those elements. So they figured it must be possible to convert them. Believe it or not, alchemy is actually still somewhat practiced today, but it's been pretty influential in modern chemistry, with people like Robert Boyle, who are known for their chemistry, not really for their involvement in alchemy. Actually borrowed very heavily from alchemy to come up with the advances that they did.